just where it was needed.
I am going to walk up around the Tholty Will area, looking and investigating Tholtans with my camera and my drones. I've got two drones, my Phantom and my Spark. I can't take the Mavic because that one's got a fault again with the gimbal. So I'm going to be lugging around my new bag, the Manfrotto Pro Lite, and my Manfrotto 190X Pro B tripod with ball head, separate ball head. My backpack's brand new and currently it weighs a ton, so this could be interesting. I am actually going to be walking up on the hills, so it might be a bit moody for some photos because I am into my photography right now. I use a Canon 7D Mark 1 and a 24-105 L lens. So yeah, I'm gonna set the Relive app running, and I'm going for a hike.
Nobody's losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be at dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be at dawn. When we finally soar,
Hopefully my back will cope lugging this around, because I have had some back issues. It's been 3 weeks now, lower back. It might actually be 4 weeks now. I was in great pain for the first week, couldn't really move, so was stuck at home for a lot of it. But mostly now it seems a lot better, so we will see how this how it deals with it. So first port of call is up there. You can just see the Tholtans now, I believe, and I'll be walking along this road for another couple of 100 meters, then I go down into the valley and I zigzag up, and when you're as unfit as me, it's going to be a challenge. But as you can see, it's actually quite foggy and misty up on the hill, but that might give us moody shots, hopefully. But it's a beautiful area. This is Tholty Will, or Sulby Glen, or Sulby Valley, and it is lovely. So yeah, first port of call somewhere up there, and we'll see how it goes. Better view. So I'm heading down towards, I need to cross the river somewhere. There is a bridge further down there, but I'm hoping I can get across down here. And then I'm zigzagging up that hill. So first real hurdle is crossing this little river. I don't think it's going to be too bad. Looks like most people cross just over there. Just negotiate here. The only problem will be that some of the stones might be a bit slippery when I actually enter said water. So, oh, there's one that's given away straight away. So I might rearrange some rocks here so that I can cross without getting wet feet. So I made it, I'm the other side. I just got to clamber up there now. A few place rocks just to keep most of my feet out of the water. Shoes are a little bit wet, but they are kind of waterproof. I don't feel like I got wet feet, so carrying on now. I made it to the first set of Tholtans. So I haven't flown the drone yet because it's drizzly rain, so which is quite nice. It's cooling me down because yeah, I'm unfit. These are the Tholtans. Obviously the GoPro won't show them out, but wow, what a view. And then there's another one just down there. So this is one set of Tholtans. Like I say, fantastic views. There's another, I've noticed another set of Tholtans just over there, but there's a big valley and a reservoir to get to them, so I don't know if I'm going to get to them today because I've walked up this hill and I'm not convinced I'm going to be walking up any more hills. But yeah, this is my camera setup. So on the Manfrotto tripod, I will need to get a, well, I don't need to get, but I will probably be getting the carbon fibre version to just half the weight, because this is about 2 kilos, I believe. So I've actually taken it out of my backpack. I'm not carrying it in my backpack at the moment because it just adds too much weight. So my camera goes in this top section and the drone is in the main section, and I've even brought my little seat. So this is my camera, Canon 7D, quite old now. I bought it from new, then I sold it to my dad, then I got given it back because he upgraded to the Mark II. So yeah, I'd love I think the next camera I go for will be the EOS R. I think I'll go full frame and mirrorless next. Either that or the 5D Mark IV, because I am really into my photography. I do a lot of panos, not so much for massive landscapes, but just so that I can use this lens and crop in and then get more detail, so the files end up much bigger in terms of megapixels. And I absolutely love this L bracket. So this L bracket, I can actually undo this here to loosen it off, but I can undo this, and because of the L bracket, it's got these notches here, I can actually turn it back into landscape mode in an instant. So no having to undo the head and go sideways like that, which probably is just as easy, but I just love the fact that, and again, I can undo that, twist that over, plonk it in, and lock that on. Another feature is I can just undo that, and as long as I've got the tripod perfectly level, which half the time I haven't, I can just undo that and twist round, do another photo, twist round, do another photo, twist round, do another photo. So
The trees will grow and ice will melt. But your face remain the same. But your face remain the same. The sorrows will be here at dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. But your face remain the same. But insignificant light, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody's losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be in our dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be in our dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same. The trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same. But your face remains the same. The swallows will be in our dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same. But your face remains the same.
I'm going to walk up this lane a bit more now because I think there's another building up there. My heart rate's back down to normal after the hike now, and I might actually, I can't feel the drizzle now, so I can hear motorbikes somewhere. Not sure where, somewhere up there. That's Caragoo over Caragoo or something like that over there. Another massive Tholtans. I've taken drone image of it. They're somewhere around this area here, and they are an amazing set of Tholtans. Done. I've flown the drone. The damp mist disappeared a little bit, so I've flown the Phantom, and then I had some fun with a little Spark. That the footage is never great from the little Spark, but it's a fun little thing to fly. It only flies for about 10 minutes, and then you've got to change the battery. So I've used one battery. I've got 4 in total, and I've used one Phantom battery, so I've only got one left because my third battery is knackered. It's not with me. I already knew it was knackered. I'll switch on. So a few new batteries are in order for the Phantom, unfortunately, and they ain't cheap. I was holding out for the Phantom 5, but I don't know if that's ever going to happen now. So yeah, let's see what else we can find. Little reservoir. I think that was the reservoir before they built Sulby Reservoir. Not 100% sure, so it's just down here. I don't think, obviously you can go over that bridge, but then trying to get up to the Tholtan that's just over here, up this ridge here, there doesn't look to be any kind of footpaths. So I'm going to walk down to that. I don't know if there's a path that goes along this valley. That would be awesome, because then I wouldn't have to walk back up here to walk back down, but I don't think there is. And like I was saying, there's no obvious path along that ridge, so I'm going to walk down there. I'll probably fly the drone and record this little reservoir because I've been meaning to do it forever. So I'm there now. I'm going to take some photos while I'm here with my camera. There you go. There's a little reservoir. It looks like I've been thwarted in my plans to fly the drone here yet again, because now it's raining. And it's not just the fine, horrible stuff, it is proper rain. Now this water, you won't be able to see it, is really black. I guess it's from the peat. So, lovely tranquil spot though. I don't think there is any paths, so I'm going to have to go back the way I came, which is a little bit frustrating, but I guess that's what I got. But this is the end of this path, so there's no obvious paths now to actually continue around. I can't see any around this entire reservoir. There's pipes that go down that way, but that really doesn't look like a path. Probably water on my lens. So yeah, I think that's it for today, but it's been nice. So anyway, I will leave you from here, and there will be no drone footage from here because of the rain. I'm not flying the drone in the rain, number one, because it's electronic and it ain't gonna like it, and number two, because it would end up with raindrops on the lens, so the any photos or video would. Just a quick update, I've made it back to my van. It's still pouring down. I need something to eat, so yeah, end of walk. It was nice, just ruined by the rain come the end, but still good. Catch you sometime in the future.
A significant light, just